I'm here with the K&F Concept Versatile Switch Cleaning Pen. And it's pretty easy to use. You have to stick in your your camera bag, so you always have something like this with you. It has the brush here, so you can use this to gently brush your camera lenses. Right now I have like a lens filter on there, but you can gently brush all of the debris off of there. So that's pretty handy to have. And then you also have this carbon tip here, and you can use that to gently clean all of the oil off of your lenses or your filters, so you don't get any of those oily hands on there, smudges. So this really helps with that. So with both these things in one really small package, you can just really easily take this with you. I really recommend this because it is not that expensive, but still pretty easy to use and an essential must-have if you're going to take your camera work seriously.